Hello friends, welcome to Codes Laboratory, and in this session we will write a code to find whether the number is Armstrong or not. So first let's try to understand what are Armstrong's numbers. So I have written here three numbers and these are Armstrong's number, and to get to know like what number will be the Armstrong, I have written like how you can find whether a number is Armstrong or not. So as you can see, this number has three digits. So what we will do, we will multiply each digit three times, like 3 into 3, 7 into 7 into 7, and 0 into 0 into 0, and their sum should be equal to the number like 370. And same applies when the size of our number is 4. Like you can see, we have multiplied 1 into 4 times, 6 into 4 times, 3 into 4 times, and 4 into 4 times, and then the sum should be equal to 1634. So this will be our Armstrong number. So let's just move to our code. I have already written that so that we will more focus on the logic rather than writing the code. Okay, so first here I have created the main method, and in that method I have passed the array of strings arguments. After that, as you know, we are dealing with the number, we have created one variable of integer type, and let's put 370. After that, I have created one more variable called reminder that will be required in the processing, and after that I have created another variable called temp, and I have saved my number value in temp variable, so that at the time of processing we will change the temp variable and the number will be the same, so that it will be easy for us to compare it with the result. Okay, so after that I have created one more variable called sum. After multiplication I will keep on adding the value so that we can get the number. So let's take a look. I have written while loop here and used the temp variable. If the value of temp variable will be greater than 0, then it will execute the body of our program. So let's just try to take a look of this program and let's try to execute it manually. So first the value of temp variable will be 370, and as you can see, it means the condition is true, so the code will go into the body, and here it will calculate the reminder, and the value of reminder will be temp percentage 10. It means reminder value will be 0. After that it will go to the next line, and the sum is equals to sum plus reminder into 3 times. Why we have written reminder into reminder into reminder? As the size of our digit is 3, that's why. So sum value will be, as initially it was 0, so it will be 0 plus 0 into 0 into 0, again that will be 0, and after that the value of temp will be temp divided by 10, and that will be 37. So once it will go again here and it will check the value of temp is 37, which is greater than 0, so yes, it will go into the body, and then the reminder will be 7, and this time the value of sum will be 0 plus 7 into 7 into 7, and that will be 49 into 7. So we will calculate it later, like what would be the value of this into, and after that the value of temp will be 3. As it is greater than 0, so it will again go into the body, and this time the reminder will be 3, and the value of sum will be 49 into 7 as it was earlier, plus 3 into 3 into 3, and the value of temp will be 0. And if we will go here, we will check, like if the value of temp is 0, it means the condition is false. It means this loop has been completed, and over here it will print the value of sum, value of sum, and it will check here. If sum is equals to number, then it will print number is a Armstrong number. Else if it is not equal to number, then it will print number is not an Armstrong number. So let's just check whether our 370 is an Armstrong number or not. So to do that, we will have to save our program and we will execute. So you can see the value of sum is 370. 370 is an Armstrong number. Let's try some other like 770 and let's try to execute. And as you can see, it says 770 is not Armstrong number. Let's try to execute this with our second value 407 and let's see what it will say. So as you can see, it says 407 is also Armstrong number. Let's try to check this with 1634. Yes, we wanted to save. Okay, it says 1634 is not an Armstrong number, but as I have written here and we know that this number is an Armstrong number, but as you can see our code is failing here, and it is happening because we have used this reminder 3 times. We have multiplied this reminder 3 times, but in this case the reminder should be multiplied 4 times. So over here we wanted to create a code which should be dynamic in nature. It means if you will pass 3-digit number, then it should be able to identify whether the number is Armstrong or not, or it shouldn't be depend on the size or on the digit of numbers we are passing. So to do that, first what we will do, so first I will convert the number into a string so that we will get to know the size of our number which we are passing. So to do that, first let's create one variable of a string and we call it as temp2, and we having one static method in our string class, and that will be value of. And as you can see, we are having value of boolean integer. We need to use this one, and over here we need to pass our number like this. And now we can calculate its size like temp2 dot length is the size of our number and the type will be integer. So yes, we have find the size of our number, and now what we need to do, we need to multiply our reminder on the basis of this size. If the size is 4, we need to multiply this 4 times. If the size will be 3, the reminder should be multiplied by 3 times. And to do that, Java has provided one very beautiful class called math, and there is one static method called power. Here it is. As you can see, at the place of A you can pass your reminder, and at the place of B you can pass the size. So what it will do, it will just powering this reminder with this value and it will return the multiplication. So it says add cast to int, otherwise change type of sum to double. We will cast this and the error has been removed. And now let's just try to execute our code once again with this value and let's see what will be the output. So as you can see, this time it says 1634 is an Armstrong number, and let's try to execute our code with 370. And okay, so it says 370 is an Armstrong number. So guys, this was all for this video. Please stay tuned and happy learning.